Welcome to the Char-Grow Research Station, otherwise known as our windowsill. You can see some of the comparisons here. This is Zinnia. I think these are about 5 to 6 weeks old. One of them got it and one of them didn't. And now we can, I don't know if we can pan back and see some of the other ones. So we got peppers over here on the right, same age, same thing, except one of them got the BioGranules. And then in the middle there, this is with BioGranules, and that's without. Those are Marigolds, and over here is the Basil. So this is just our little demonstration showing what we can do for transplants.
So in addition to earlier germination and the plants being bigger at this point, what does this mean as they age?
So they're just a bigger, stronger plant. They've already got the beneficial biology colonized underneath here in the roots. And so at the time of transplant, they're a tougher plant altogether. And then in our trials at Virginia Tech, we saw earlier flowering and earlier fruit set, but most importantly, a greater fruit set. And that's what, I don't know if you all have seen our poster, but that's shows you what we got there with tomatoes. 51% increase in yield at first pick. They were grown in the greenhouse for about 7 weeks. The biggest thing to remember in this stuff is keeping the biology alive. So you want low salt fertilizers. When that cover crop was tilled in, that was definitely helping feed the microbes, and then the microbes do the heavy lifting and you get better yield.
Cool. char-grow.com, #BioGranules.